One time, one of my helpers on an install came to me with some major problem, some issue that he was having with the outdoor. I looked at him and I said, "Good." About a week later, he came up to me again, another major issue. The line set heat pressure checked wasn't holding. As soon as he told me that, he followed it up with, "I already know what you're going to say." I asked him, "Well, what am I going to say?" He said, "You're going to say good." A little frustrated, he continued, "That's what you always say. When something is wrong or going bad, you just look at me and you say, good." So I explained to him that when things are going bad, there is going to be some good to come from it. Some issues. Wired a 110 pump into 220 volts. Good. We understand now how to tell the difference. Our duct doesn't line up? Good. We have the opportunity to measure a new piece. Didn't get the ProPress 45s sent out. Good. We get to test our truck stopping abilities. Found a leak on the suction line? Good. We have the opportunity to braze it better. It's too hot in the attic? No, it's too cold by the outdoor? Good. It gives us the opportunity to push past our limits. No communication between indoor and outdoor? Good. We can find the cause. Fell through the ceiling? Good. You learned. That's it. When things are going bad, don't get all bummed out. Don't get startled. Don't get frustrated. No. Just take a good look at the issue and say good. If you can say the word good, then guess what? It means you're still alive. It means you're still breathing. And if you're still breathing, well, that means you've still got some fight left. So get up, dust off, reload, recalibrate, re-engage, and go out on the attack.